So one of the focuses that we are currently working on is membrane electrode assemblies for fuel cells and electrolyzers for hydrogen generation and power generation from hydrogen. So the image on the left is an example of MEA. So they're completely made from graphene aerogels. And the image on the middle is an example of a scanning electron microscopy of a surface characterization of our aerogel. So from these aerogels, we are able to deposit an active material and component, in this case, platinum. And we're able to do it from a bottom approach using single atom deposition technique. What this leads to is a significantly higher mass activity and a significantly lower loading of platinum. In addition, due to the ability for us to be able to tune the functional group of the graphene, we're able to increase the durability, only seeing a 7 to 10% drop after around 4,000 working hours of function.